Hi there. You might be having a little bit of trouble pronouncing words that have the ED in them. Words like worked that are spelled WORKED. Their ED is in the spelling, but we don't hear it. We only hear a T sound, worked. And then there are words like printed. They also have the ED, but we do hear that ED sound. Printed, PRINTED, sounds like that, printed. But worked, we only hear that T. What about booked? See, it's spelled with an ED, but you only hear that T sound. Another word that you might hear when you're doing networking events is LinkedIn. You might be hearing it pronounced LinkedIn, but what you're going to know is that it's pronounced LinkedIn. Let's connect on LinkedIn, okay? So you see, search for those words when they have that ED in them. Most of the time, you're just going to hear that T sound. Words like called or cooked. See, they have the ED, but you only hear that T. So let's connect on LinkedIn.